Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows detected a hard disk problem error in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type group policy. Comes up edit group policy, click on open it. Under computer configuration you just need to expand the administrative templates and expand the system. Now find troubleshooting and diagnostics, just expand it, and now disk diagnostic, just select it. On right side you can able to see disk diagnostic configure execution level, just double click on it. Set this to disabled and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.